You are watching Kidiez World TV. Hello friends, how are you? You are, I think, wondering what we are doing today?
No!
We just change our format and we think that our animal needs some luxury life.
Are you serious?
So we are riding them today. As you can see, all the trucks and the transport vehicle who can carry the animals to the mud ground are full with the dinosaur with your favorite animals.
Oh my god! Wow!
We have a lots of collection today. So our all animals reach at the destination now, and now we are placing them in a mud ground and enjoy the video. I hope you like the format.
Hey!
Do tell us in your comment, you like this format, we continue or we change with some different style.
Okay.
Let's place the animal in our mud ground.
Nice.
The first one is zebra, then the white tiger, then the red tiger, and then the T-Rex, and
2 hours later.
rabbits, dog, alligator, and that's the surprise box. Then we will unbox in the end.
Wow! Beautiful!
So watch this video till end. You will find some new animals, and that's ringtail lemur, that's a raccoon, that's a koala, that's fox, beautiful small animals, and this meerkat who was on leave for so many months. That's an antelope and the goat. Wow! And do tell us about the format. You like it or not?
No!
Let's start our video, and our first animal is cheetah. Cheetah is a wild animal, and look at this beautifully designed cheetah. Wow, that is awesome. Cheetah. And the next we have is koala. Koala is quite adorable and beautiful cute animal. Let's watch him. Here we go, koala, the beautiful wild animal. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is goat. Goat is a lovely farm animal who is purely vegetarian, herbivorous animal. Let's watch him. Here we go, goat. And the next one we have is raccoon. Raccoon is a small but very cute animal. Just look at him. Beautiful. Let's watch him. Here we go, raccoon. Let's check out the next one, and the next one is rabbit, the beautiful cute farm animal. This one is a big one and it look nice. Let's watch him. Rabbits also considered as a pet because it's a very cute animal. Rabbit, he will stay here because he is the big one. And the next one is, we have dog. The German Shepherd is a very special breed. It's also known as the farmer dog. Let's watch him. Here we go, dog, the beautiful pet and farm animal. And the next one we have is Centrosaurus. That's a dinosaur who moves with 4 legs. Let's watch him. He has one big honk on his nose, and this is a vegetarian, herbivorous dinosaur. Centrosaurus. And the next one is, we have wolf. Wolf is a wild animal. It's a very clever one. Let's watch him. Here we go. Wolf. And the next one we have Tyrannosaurus Rex, the most terrifying and dangerous dinosaur ever in history. T-Rex are carnivorous by diet and he moves with 2 legs. Very big in size and shape. Tyrannosaurus. He will stay here because he is also the big one. He look cute here. And the next one we have is alligator. Alligator is a wild beast. It's a very big and quite dangerous animal. He has a big mouth, he has very sharp teeth, he can eat anything who come in front of him.
She touched something, she's gonna close. Hey, Mikey! Mikey, come here, get on her back!
Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is ring-tailed lemur. That's a beautiful small wild animal. Just look at him. He has a very long tail. That's why he is known as ring-tailed lemur. Ring-tailed lemur. And the next one we have fox. Another small, wild but very clever animal. It's very dirty now. Let's wash him. Here we go. Fox. And the next one we have is tiger. That's a red tiger, the king of African jungle. Tiger can be found in different regions as well. Tiger is a big wild cat, carnivorous by diet with a very sharp teeth and natural hunting abilities. Tiger. He is the big one, so he will stay on the walls. Meanwhile, we have Meerkat. After a very long vacation, Meerkat again back in action. Let's watch him. It's a small but very adorable and cute animal. He also has a big tail. Meerkat. And the next one we have is antelope. Antelope is kind of goat, but it's very different. He lives in the wild, also comes in safari animals category. By diet, it's a herbivorous animal. Antelope. And the next one is Giganotosaurus, another dinosaur from the past. Giganotosaurus are also carnivorous by diet. They move with 2 legs. They are big in size and shape. Giganotosaurus, the dinosaur from the past. He will stay on the wall because he is the big one. Now what we have left? We have zebra. This is newly added. I mean, this size never comes in our mud ground, so this is the debut of this zebra. Please welcome him. We are also treating him very special. Here we go. Zebra. Neat and clean and a beautiful wild and safari animal. He will stay just behind the turtle. And we have now the white tiger, the rare animal, and a beautiful creation. White tigers are very rare species. It's very dirty now. Let's wash him. And of course, by diet, it's a carnivorous animal. His white color is very unique, who make him very special. White tiger. So we have finished all the animals, but we have some surprise gift for you guys. We are now going to open this and show you some newly added animals. Some are regular you are watching on Kidiez, but few are new. So this is the way we are starting unboxing of some animals. I hope you like this format as well. Now let's check out what we have in this. First of all, the first one is cat. Cat was never used in our mud ground. So that's the also debut video of cat. Let's watch him. Cats are pet animal. Very beautiful and very adorable animal. Cat. And the next one we have is cow. You are watching cow in our almost every video. Cow. And we have now this reindeer. Reindeer you also watch in our many videos. This one is newly added. Here we go. Reindeer. And now we have horse. We have today the different kind of horse breed. Horse. And next one we have is goat. That's a different goat who has two straight honks like antelope. That's a different breed of goat. And we have now in our Kidiez World TV. And the next one we have is buffalo. This is newly added. Here we go. Buffalo. And the next one we have is a sheep. It's very dirty. Let's wash him. Sheep are beautiful farm animal. Here we go. Wow, this one is very, very, very dangerous sheep. And the next one we have another horse. That's a different breed. Let's wash him. Here we go. Horse. Wow, black horse.
Yes, a good boy. Yes, a good boy. Can you smile on top of that?
Next one we have another horse. That's another different breed who has a very long tail. Here we go. Wow. This one has long tail. Great. And the next one we have is zebra. Zebra you are watching in our regular videos. And today we have also make a big zebra debut. This one is another one. Don't worry, these are animals. Zebra. And the next one we have sheep. We have another sheep. It's another breed. Let's watch him. Here we go, sheep. That is awesome. And in last, what we have? That's a llama. Wow, this never be used in our Kidiez mud ground. So welcome llama, welcome home. Let's watch him. Here we go, llama. So you watched too many animals today. I hope you liked the video. So subscribe the channel now and thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day friends. Take care. Bye bye.